Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on how to disassemble and reassemble an OPPO A76 smartphone. This is a great budget-friendly phone that has been on the market for a while now, and for many users, replacing the battery is a common task. In this video, we will not only show you how to replace the battery, but we will also give you a good look at the internal structure of the phone. Tools required. Before we get started, let's go over the tools that you will need for this disassembly. PT-T13 Tool Kit, Magic Heating Pad. You can find purchase links for these tools in the video description below. Alright, let's begin the disassembly process. 1. Heat the back cover. The first step is to heat the back cover of the phone using a magic heating pad. This will help to loosen the adhesive that is holding the back cover in place. Once the back cover is hot to the touch, use a suction cup to pull it up. If the back cover is still stuck, you can use a safety razor blade to insert a pry card into the gap between the back cover and the frame. Be careful not to insert the pry card too deep, as you could damage the fingerprint sensor flex cable. Three. Remove the screws. Once the back cover is removed, remove the screws that are holding the frame in place. The SIM tray is on the left side of the OPPO A76. Look for a small hole next to the tray. Use a plastic prying tool to pry up the frame. Be careful not to damage the fingerprint sensor flex cable. Disconnect the battery flex cable and the fingerprint sensor flex cable. Six. Remove the battery. The battery has an easy removal design. Simply pull on the adhesive tape to remove the battery. If the battery is stuck, you can apply a few drops of alcohol to the adhesive to help loosen it. Remove the speaker. Disconnect the main flex cable and the screen flex cable. Remove the motherboard. There is one screw holding the motherboard in place, so be sure to remove it before you try to remove the motherboard. Remove the subboard. To reassemble the phone, simply follow the disassembly steps in reverse order. Thanks for watching.